This is exactly how you earn simply by watching videos on Cheelee. Not this one, I'm talking about this. This right here is one of the fastest rising social media platforms in the world today. On this platform, you can earn tokens that can then be converted into real cash simply by doing what you do best, watching videos. Yes, you heard that right. And no, this is not a prank. And of course, your phone is not secretly printing money, though I wish it did. Now let's be real. Cheelee is an app that takes video watching to another level because this time you get paid simply for watching it. Imagine scrolling through funny cat videos, dance challenges, or life acts you will probably never use and getting rewarded for it. Then you start wondering, where has this been all our lives? Alright, let me break down exactly what makes Cheelee awesome. First up, monetize viewing. Basically, every time you watch video, you earn rewards. And now I'm like, finally my talent for endless scrolling is paying off. Next, if you've got some creativity in you, Cheelee lets you become a content creator. You don't need millions of followers, just start posting and let the app's AI do the magic for you. So if your dog does something weird or your grandma has some dance moves, you might just go viral. Oh, and let's talk about that AI-driven personalized feed. Cheelee isn't just throwing random videos at you like a confused waiter. It actually learns what you like and serves up content you will enjoy. So yes, it knows you better than your best friend. And for the real money makers out there, I want you to move closer. You have to check this out. Cheelee has digital glasses, an in-app item that boosts your earnings. You can pick strategies like stability, mix. Basically, it's like choosing your superpower. But instead of flying, you make money. Not a bad trade-off, right? Now I know exactly what you're thinking. Sounds great, but can I actually withdraw my money? And the answer is, you can actually cash out your earnings. So enough of the talk. Let me show you everything in real time. So the first thing you need to do right now is to click the link right in the description below or the pinned comment below. And that will take you to the App Store where you have to download Cheelee, a short videos for you. So after downloading, you need to click open. Then it will pop up a notification where it will ask you to allow Cheelee to send you notifications. So you can choose allow and you can choose don't allow. Then the next thing you need to click is I'm in. Now here's a welcome message from Cheelee, a short video platform, and they are trying to explain to you exactly what their platform is all about. So just click I'm in, because right now everything they are saying there is what I'm already explaining to you. So without registering, Cheelee will take you to their news feed where they will show you how it works, so you can feel the environment and all of that. But don't let that fool you. All you have to do right now is to click on profile and it will take you to the registration page where you can either register with your email or with your Google. Then the next thing you need to do is to provide your email address and click continue. Then a 6-digit verification code will be sent straight to your email address. All you have to do is to check your inbox and fill in the 6-digit right here. After filling it in, you'll be directed to where you fill in your phone number. So all you have to do is to enter your mobile number here and click continue. Then on the next page, you'll be asked to select your date of birth. So make sure you select the right date of birth, okay? Then you select your gender as well. Very, very important. Now on this page here, you are welcomed with an overview about what Cheelee is all about and all the benefits, all the features. And who do you think will be the best to welcome us into Cheelee if not our one and only Ebuka from Big Brother Naija? All you have to do is to click due and it will take you to where you get a free welcome box. Just tap it and automatically you get $2.9 for signing up with my link. But right now, I won't advise you to start inviting people. All you have to do right now is to just click continue. You can invite people later, okay? So on this page right here, you can select the country feed you want to be watching, or if you want to be watching an international feed. That is, if you choose a country feed, you'll be watching that particular country's feed only, although they might be showing a few videos from other countries as well. But if you choose an international feed, they'll be showing you videos from different countries, and also this will be tailored to your interest. Now as you watch the video, you will notice this coin flowing around, and as it is flying to that number, the number keep increasing. That's what we call easy coin. It's one of the tokens you earn simply by watching videos, and at the top of it you see $2.93. That's exactly what you earn simply by tapping that box. As you scroll through the feed, that box will pop up again and you tap it again. Now you may be asking me, how did I earn up to 20,000 easy coin? Well, I'll show you exactly how. There are some tasks that you have to perform to earn that aside watching videos, and these tasks are super simple. To check out the tasks, all you have to do is to click on that easy coin there and it will bring up this dialog box where it explains to you what EasyCoin is all about. You know, once you collect up to 500,000 EasyCoin, as a content creators, your videos will be getting more views, more visibilities. And of course, EasyCoin can also be converted into real cash. I'll be showing you that later on. Now, all you have to do next is to click on Earn Easy, and it will bring you right here where you can earn more EasyCoins. Now, to do that, you have to perform some tasks. Like here, some of the daily tasks is daily login, 500 EasyCoin, you know, and it asks you to play a game for 700 EasyCoin. And as you scroll down, you notice here where it asks you to invite 5 friends for 50,000 EasyCoin. So this one also asks you to buy your first glasses for 10,000 EasyCoin. Watch video tutorials for 5,000 EasyCoin. Watch news and get a discount for 4,000 EasyCoin. Watch video about Cheelee for 4,000 EasyCoin. Watch video about Cheelee again for 4,000 EasyCoin. Learn how to make money online with swaps for 4,000 EasyCoin. Learn 4 ways to make money for 4,000 EasyCoin. Watch the video about Cheelee glasses, 4,000 EasyCoin. Learn to withdraw income, and so many and so many. Follow EasyCoin on Instagram for 2,000 EasyCoin. You know, follow Cheelee on Instagram for 2,000 EasyCoin. Follow Cheelee on YouTube for 2,000 EasyCoin. Well, I'll be practicalizing one of them with you right now, where I'll be following Cheelee community on Telegram for 2,000 EasyCoin, of course. So once you click join, it will take you to their Telegram channel where you will be able to join them. All right, so now I'm on their Telegram channel. They currently have 112,000 members, and immediately I join, I can now click on it and click check. Once you click check, that's when they will verify your task, and definitely 2,000 EasyCoin will be rewarded to my EasyCoin balance. So you can perform all of these tasks and you'll see so many. As a matter of fact, there are some I've already performed before now that has aided me to gain this much EasyCoins. Now let's go back to the video feed, then click on the $2 we have above. This takes us to where we can earn more of these $2, and as you can see, there are more opportunities right here. The glasses, the lifetime strategies, different ways people earn. But before you do anything, I would suggest you go to your wallet. Now when you click on wallet above, it takes you to the wallet where you see all your balance. Like currently now I have $2.43, and that's equivalent to 0.93 Lee coin. So currently my Lee coin is locked, as you can see, but once I purchase a glass, it will be unlocked. So once you purchase a glass, your Lee coin will be unlocked and you'll be able to withdraw your money straight to your card. And down here you can see we have another token called Cheelee. Cheelee is equivalent to $8.05. You can earn this as well by performing different tasks on this platform. And also we have USDT, which I believe you're already familiar with the token. Lastly, we have EasyCoin, which I already explained everything about it to you earlier in this video. So for your Lee coin, you can actually transfer it or sell it. Now I'll be showing you how to purchase a glass very soon. And what is so special about buying glasses? Well, the more expensive the glass you buy, the higher your potential of earning. Like you just see me earning 0 point something dollar or $1 through that box. By the time I start buying glass, I'll be earning $4 with just a single box, $10 with just a single box, depending on how expensive the glass is. Now for us to purchase a glass, we need to go back and click on market in the menu bar below. Once we click on market, it takes us to where we have the glasses and some other stuff that helps in earning more on this platform. Now the cheapest glass we have here is $1 glass. There's glass of $2. If you buy the glass of $1, you can be earning as much as $3.4 per box. If you buy the glass of $2, you can earn as much as $6 per box. So the higher the glass, the more your chance of earning bigger and bigger, which means you are making a lot of money. So for you to buy a glass, all you have to do is to click on the glass you want to purchase, and it will take you to where you can make payment for it. You can either make payment through your debit or credit card, and you can also make payment with your Binance Pay or your USDT. And also you can make payment through Google Play. So there are varieties of options, and you don't have any excuse for saying that, oh, I can't make payment simply because I don't have this particular option. And lastly, now this part they sweet me past, the referral program. How do you enroll for the referral program, which enables you to earn more simply by inviting more people? And you know what is so sweet about this referral program? As you invite more people and they purchase more glasses, you earn more. So for you to get started with this referral program, all you have to do is to go straight to your profile, and after your profile, you click on the 3 lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on referral programs. Just simply because people register through your referral link, you get $0.05 and 1.8 thousand EasyCoin. And that's not all. Everyone you invite gets up to 3,000 EasyCoin and $10 in 3 days of being active on this platform. How beautiful can that be? Now, aside the reward you get for inviting people who eventually signed up, as they are buying glasses, you are getting rewarded. Just like I said, when they buy the basic glass, you get $0.5 and 2,000 easy coin. When they buy the common glass, you get $1 and 3,000 easy coin. When they buy element, you get $2 and 6,000 easy coin. When they buy smart, you get $3 and 9,000 easy coin. It's as simple as that. Now you may ask yourself, who need a 9-to-5 job when something like this exists? Well, I'm just kidding, okay? Don't quit your job yet. But truth be told, it is a fun and easy way to earn online. So is Cheelee the future of social media because everything about it seems futuristic, or just another genius excuse to stay glued to our phone? I want to know your thoughts right in the comment section below. And if you are ready to try it out, don't forget to start with the link in the description below too. Remember to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated for more blockbusters like this. Whatever you do, never stop making money.